Hello everyone. Hi, I am Prashant Dubey. Today we have a new chapter, chapter number 6. That is name of the chapter is integers. In the previous classes, we had seen about whole numbers. So in this chapter number 6, how many points we have to discuss? Let us see first. So hope there is less point will be there. So who is where, it means that it is asking for the placings, number, successors. Again the same things we had studied in a whole number chapter. The successor, predecessors, the same what studied in a chapter number, hope that was chapter number 2 or chapter number uh, 3. I think I forget that particular. Here has been said tag me with the sign. It means that it says we have to understand what is less than or more than. That we also would be discussing about that this also. Later on we have some topics. Try these, like we have some problems that we have to solve it. Later on we have integers. Again the same topic. We hope this integer instruction has been given here to understand better what is actually integer. Okay, this hope given here some figures that would be leading what the position of what is position currently and what is the situation. So let us forget all that. Come to the topic here. I am making you understand what is integer and what was the difference between whole numbers and what was difference between natural number. Things we would be discussing. I'm changing my color. Okay, so come here. So what we had studied in natural number, I'm just making you little bit understand first here. Natural number was 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot dot dot. That was it. Till then we can think this was our natural number. So what was whole number? Whole number was if we add extra 0 to that complete set, the set becomes whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 infinity. This plus should not be here, it will make you confuse here. It means that if this is a natural number, oh, I'm changing my color. If this set is natural number, so if we add extra 0, this whole set will be calling as whole number set. Okay, so we have integer. What is integer now then? If this is whole number, this is natural number, so what is integer then? So integer is just negative. Understand first. Negative, positive and additionally 0. Additionally 0 in the set. Let us suppose we have this natural number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot infinity. Okay, so natural number had no negative numbers, so we have to add here negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 till then infinity, and additionally a 0. Add 0, so this set will be called as integers. It means that integer, all those number can be possibly written are integers, but I'm not saying that this is root 3, root 4. This is the other topic. We will be understanding it in a further topic or when it will come up to me. It means that if I'm saying you if I am drawing a number line here, if I draw, sorry, if I draw a number line, so all possible number will be on a number line will be integers, infinity, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and infinity. What was I am again making you understand? This is our number line. This was number line. So here to here called natural number. If we come till here, this to till then you can go will be called whole number, and we add all, this will be called integer. Okay, in short, integer is denoted by italic I. Okay, italic I. So this is integer. Hope you understood well here. If I am saying you where is -4, you would be saying here, you would be saying 3 is here, 4 is here. This is very easiest things if I asked you, but some 2-3 point you have to understand here. On a number line, if you are again little bit understand first, this is very important for you to have. You also have to read some direction based problem inside this chapter. Always remember, when you are going to determine where is the direction, so always opposite portion will be north of yours, north, and this will be east, this will be west, and this will be south portion, that is southern portion. Okay, or if you are drawing a line here, your direction, place any point here, your direction, you are standing front of anywhere, so this is you, so your left is the left of this point, your right is right of this point. Okay, so here what we see, from 0 if we go right, the value of numbers increases, value of number increases. Okay, and in opposite direction, if we go towards left, the value of numbers decreases. Okay, understand how it happens. If I am saying you कि I have borrowed 5 rupees from Ram. Okay, I have borrowed 5 rupees from Ram, and you say you have borrowed 20 rupees borrowed from Syam. So which one is in a good position, you or me? I am in the good position to pay. I have to pay only 5 rupees, and you have to pay 20 rupees. It means that I am in good position than you. So in Hindi, ऋण जितना ही छोटा हो उतना ही, ऋण यानी कर्ज जितना ही छोटा हो उतना ही वो बड़ा समझा जाता है. Okay, so come to the topic. What says? Hope only 2-3 point was needed to understand here. In the number line, on the number line, if you go towards left side, okay, if you are approaching left side, then value of number decreases, and if you are approaching right side, you are approaching right side, then the value of number increases. R and L downward side. Okay, so if I am saying you which one is greater, 4 or 3, you always say 3 is greater than 4. If you are not understanding the how this line is placed, I am just recapitulating you here. What is this? What is this? I am making you understand here. This is very easy things. What is this? If I am saying you write this like this one, and I am placing some lines inside it. Okay, this is not visible here. You can see what is happening. First line was in such like, I am getting here, the lines are increasing here. So it means that if I use this line, we have to place here a smaller number than the number is placed here. It means that the side is opened big, the number will be in a bigger, and you can make it opposite. If you are making opposite of it, make opposite of it and see what happens. If I am saying you a line is like in this line, so place some numbers, some lines inside it. This is the biggest line. Now line is getting shorter. It means that if I use this line, here will be a smaller number, and here will be bigger number. It means that if I am in another way, if I say this is increasing here, this was like that, it was decreasing, it is increasing. So it means that increasing in another word is synonym of it, it is ascending or more than that of previous, it is descending or less than. Okay, now so what is equal? There is no need to make you understand. Equal means equal, there is no change. Additionally, 2-3 things are there. So if I'm saying you what is this now, so you would be saying here I am saying something looks like equal and plus something that is more than. It means that it becomes more than and equal to. In the same way, if I ask you what is this, so you would be saying here we can find some things are equal and some portion or things are less than. So in a single word we can say it is less than and equal to. Okay, this is same things, this is not a bigger things. Now come to the topic what we studied here, and see that how many point we can now we can solve it or able to solve it. Okay, here has been asked, do this, follow me. It says that we have seen from the previous example, it means that some examples already has been given in this chapter, that movement to the right is made if the number by which we have to move it is possible. Nothing it says. If a movement of only one is made, we get the successor. The same things what I had made you understand, hope, in a whole number chapter. If I add in one, it become successor. That means next. After what you can, if you subtract it, it become predecessors. Okay. What says success? You will have to write here successor. Successor means just you can plus one, that will be 11. Okay, it will be here 11. You can just add here one, it becomes 9. If you add here one, it becomes -4. If you add plus 1, it becomes -2. If you plus 1 here, it becomes 1. This is our example. Predecessor simply means that you will have to subtract -1 into that, it becomes 9. If you subtract here -1, it becomes 7. Predecessors, that means you will have to go behind the number. Okay, so just do -1 here, you will get all the answer. So tag me, here has been said tag me with a sign. I hope I had discussed little before. It is very easy for you now. What says here? Here has been said you will have to just give representation of sign like that, this or this. Hope this has been said. Following the account of shopkeepers who shows profit and loss from the sale of a certain item. It means that a boy is here, he's selling something to any other one. Understand like that only. Since profit and loss are opposite situation, yeah, if profit there is loss, this is completely opposite of it. So if profit is represented by plus, it instructed us, Ncert instructs us that if there is a profit, we can use the word plus, and if there is a loss, we can use the word particularly minus here. Okay, some of the situations where we may use this sign are, so you can solve it. First, say there is a profit of 150 rupees and loss, what has been said? Profit, it means that this is a plus, loss minus. Some like you can write it here. Again, here is given one of the example here. Try this. What is try this? Write the following numbers with appropriate sign. What is appropriate sign? 100 meter below the sea level. It means that, let us suppose this is sea level. Understand, let us suppose this is sea level and this is a horizontal where we stand. 100 meter below, it means that is sea level. This is sea level and some portions will be here and this will be 100 meter. Let us suppose there is something, a ship would be, or any things are placed, any position, any things will be here under the sea. So we can say, if I says the sea level less than the distance of what has been given here. Okay, so 25 degree above 0 degree temperature. So 0 degree is 25 degree. It means that it is plus here, increasing here. I hope this is bigger than the value, so I used here plus. 15 degree below the 0, so hope this is the minus. You can write in separate. This is not the exact exercise has been given here to solve. So this is just things you will have to sign. So main chapter starts from here, that is integer. So we had discussed well here, there is no need to make a separate discussion on this. But now here is the important things. I hope this is also clear for you. I had made you so many times in the multiple chapters here. The representation of integer on a number line. It means that any number that is possibly can be written on a number line will be integer. So there is no need to extra effort. So this is positive integer, positive side, this is positive side, and this is a negative side. So this is placing, if I am saying here is -7, this is -7, if this is -2, there is no need to separate discussion on this. This is very easy things here. And we also, sorry, I also made you understand when we go from 0 to right side, the value of number increases. When we go from 0 to left side, this number, value of number is decreases. So only care the such points. You will be solving all those particular problem will be given in your topic. Ordering of integer. Ordering of integer, thus hope would be the same in order that, let us suppose you have been said that you will have to write in order -4, -2, -8. In order, if you have to write, you can use two order, ascending order, and second one is descending order. Any one you can use. If there has been said you will have to use in ascending order, then you can use ascending order. Otherwise, which one you prefer, your better understanding, you can use that. So again, some exercise here has been given. So let us come to solve this. Compare the following pair of numbers using sign more than or less than or more than, whatever. So again, I am making you understand what was this and what was this. Just place a line here. This is bigger, bigger, bigger. It means that more than. Here is getting shorter, so it is less than. Less, this is more than. Okay. So hope if you are going through the number line here, here is 0, here is -1, here is -2, here is -3. It means that here, if you going this side, value of number decreases. It means that -3 is less than 0, because value of number decreasing here. If you are going here, value decreasing. So where is 0? 0 is here, and -8 somehow will be here. It means that value is decreasing. So 0 is bigger. It means that we place here this, sorry, we place this sign here. I have no any date. I have no date. That means I'm better in position. Which is more, which is greater, -5 or 5? Always plus will be always bigger. 6 will be here because plus here given. So value of increasing here, 1, 2. Value here will be increasing. Which one is greater, 1 or 2? If I am in 6, 6 always will be greater than 0. -1, the less date is better, -1. Which one? This is. Hope this is very easiest for you. There is no need to make extra effort on it. Only 2-3 point is needed to counter all those problem here, all these problem here. So now here has been said, from the above exercise, Rohini arrived at the following conclusions. Every positive number is larger than every negative number. Yes, absolutely. We seen that, we seen a number line. If every positive number here, if value is increasing, if I go here, the value is decreasing. 0 is the less than every positive number. Yes, 0 is less than every positive number here. 0 is larger than every positive number. 0 is larger than every negative number. Yes, because if we coming here, then value of number increasing. If you are going this side, value of number is decreasing. Value decreasing here. 0 is neither a negative number or nor a positive number. Yes, still there 0 is not a negative. 0 is not a negative, and not positive, not negative here. What has been said in E number here? It is not negative, not positive. Further, the number from 0 on the right, larger value of it. It says that if here is 0, if you go here till here, it means that number is increasing, larger value, larger its value. Till then you will go, जहां तक आप जाएंगे आपको बड़ा बड़ा ही नंबर मिलता जाएगा. Farther a number from 0 on the left. If you go opposite in direction, It says that from 0 if you go opposite in direction smaller of its value, आप 0 से जितना ही उल्टी दिशा में जाएंगे आपको उतना ही छोटा वैल्यू मिलता जाएगा. Okay, so say smaller its value. Give example. You can give so many examples. If I go from 0 to -5, it means that I have minus 5 rupee. It means that I am in debt of 5 rupees. मैं 5 रुपये कर्जे में हो गया. अगर 10 दूरी तक जाता हूँ तो मैं 10 रुपये कर्जे में हूँ. जितना कम कर्जा होता है उतना बेहतर होता है. आप ऐसे भी इसको समझा सकते हैं. Now come on the exercise. Hope this all point are clear for us. What says 6.1? 6.1 says write opposite of the following. Opposite of the following means that if you are in good position, says I am in bad. In that's like opposite. The word has been used here. Opposite. So increase in weight. Let us suppose a weight is increasing. So the opposite of this is decreasing in weight. Decrease in weight. 30 kilometer north. What was the direction? If this is north, so opposite of this is south. So 30 kilometer south. Okay. 80 kilometer east. This is east. This is west. So 80 kilometer west. Loss of 700. It loss of means that profit. Profit of 700. 100 meter above sea level. If you are above sea level, it means that you are below the sea level. Use only the word here 100 meter below sea level or below the sea level. Okay. What says 2 number? Represent the following number as integer with appropriate sign. It means that it says use these such lines. This is the hope you would be remembering here. This is very easy for you. An aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter above the ground. Let us understand here. If I am saying you this is a if this is ground, okay, if this is ground and one aeroplane here, if aeroplane here, I am not making a perfect aeroplane here, but understand this is an aeroplane. Okay, if this is aeroplane is flying above 2000 meter above. Okay, so the line will be here. In that, let us suppose ki will be flying like that. So it means that we can use this line here. Okay, we can use this line. A submarine is moving in the depth 800 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level, let us suppose the ground and sea level. It is sea level if I am saying. So submarine will be here somehow. Some submarine. So this is below. So we can use the word like that here. This is submarine like, because distance is decreasing. Submarine is moving. So you can use also equal somehow like that. You can use some, this is ground level. This line you can use here. This will be better for you. For this you can use, and for this particular you can use it. Aeroplane is going like that, and after some distance it will be like that. This is aeroplane and this is horizontal. Okay, and this is horizontal, and the submarine is moving on. Submarine after some depth it will be going straight. A deposit of rupees in 100. आपको अगर पैसा जमा करके रखते हैं, that will be not increasing, not decreasing. The same, you can use a single line here only. Withdrawal of rupees 700. If you are withdrawing 700 rupees, it means that somehow this was now getting this decreased. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Hope I am not expected that that would be solved by me here. You are able to, you can solve in easiest way here. I thought you are able to solve it now. Just make a number line here. This is 0. In negative side you will make negative, and this will be positive side. Where is plus 5? Plus 5 somewhere will be here. Minus 10 will be somewhere here. Minus 10. Plus 5. Plus 8 somewhere. Plus 8 will be here. Plus 8. Minus 1. Minus 1 somewhere will be minus 1. Minus 6. Minus 6 somewhere will be minus 6. You can make in better position like that. In like that you will be making like that, and you will be in better position to demarcate all that on number line. What has been said here in 4 number? 4 number say adjacent figure is a vertical number line. I would be solving this on a next lecture. Hope these all point what I made you understand would be very clear for you. So now come to first here and recapitulate what we studied today. So today we study that what was natural number. There in natural number there was no any 0. Natural number containing no negative and not any 0. Okay, there is no 0 and negative number. Whole number containing 0 but not negative, and integer containing all. Integer contains all, negative, positive and 0. So all number that could be used to display a number line, all those number will be integer. Otherwise we can say all number are possible on number line are integers. This also could be said. I made you understand second point, that was direction. Where you sit, upper portion will be north and your right portion will be east and west south, that is demarcated here. I made you again understand third point was for us. Third point was for today, less than, more than, and equal to. Additionally we made you understand what was less than, equal to, more than, equal to. Okay, so bye bye for today. We will meet on next lecture. Have a nice day.